Today we are going to show how to install FCU, fan coil unit. For the fan coil unit installation we required these tools and supports and drill machine. These are the supports are required for installation of FCU. Let's start. To start FCU installation, we should have drawing. As you can see, and we should have scaffolding. This is aluminum scaffolding, which has safety tag also. This is mandatory from safety, otherwise you cannot work on the scaffolding. So this is the scaffolding required, and we have some skilled laborers. This is the position we are going to install the FCU. First we will take the measurement of FCU. As you can see, exact measurement hole to hole in order to mark on the slab, as you can see in the video. Now our worker has taken the measurement. You can see he has taken already dimension from the drawing from wall to FCU, and this is marking for FCU width, length, you can see the marking for the FCU. So finish the marking on the slab, as you can see, 4 mark. Now we will drill this. You can see. We will drill the we have drilled the 4 holes for the FCU. Now we will put the anchors. You can see he put it and he is hammering with the tool. These are the isolators. You can see for the FCU we have put it already anchor bolt, and then we put this support, as you can see in the video. Company brand. As you can see, it's already inserted the anchors for the sides. should have minimum 400 distance from the wall to make the maintenance, at least 500 from the wall to the FCU back in order to do some maintenance. So we are installing 4 anchor isolators for the FCU. These isolators are selected based on the weight of FCU, as you can see. You have to check the alignment as well when we are installing this. These holes are based on the FCU, whatever FCU will deliver to site, any selected FCU. Based on that, the measurement taken from the FCU, length and width. Is aligning that one. As you can see, the isolators are being installing. You have to tight firmly the isolators. After that, we need to adjust by hammer to make it straight. And one person is down who is checking the alignment for the isolator from this side, like this. You can see we are going to fix the red rod. This rubber will remove afterwards after installing this.
अभी नहीं चाहिए
This is one nut, another is lock nut.
Yes.
The top one, this is called the lock nut. See this top is lock nut. This is another nut. This is for steady dot, and this is lock nut. So will get hang on the threaded rod. We'll tight all of these 4 isolators, as you can see in the video.
Unit Okay, थोड़ा आराम से उठाओ.
Now we are lifting the FCU. We are lifting the FCU up, as you can see here, and we are putting the lock nut.
ചെറുത് വലുത് കയറുന്നില്ല, വലുത് അവിടെ സിറ്റിംഗ് ആവുന്നില്ല. ഓക്കെ
ഇട്ടോളാം.
This you can see this a temporary wire which was fixed the isolator. Checking the height of the FCU, bottom of FCU.
അണ്ടേ തോല് പറയണം.
ഇപ്പം നമുക്ക് 2470
പൊക്കണം. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ഇത്ര
As per the drawing, we required bottom of FCU, so we are checking the bottom of FCU.
അല്ല നമ്മൾ
We have to check the bottom of FCU in order to meet the fall ceiling height requirement and as well as the slope of CDP pipe. Based on that, we will adjust the height.
പെയിന്റ് മാറാൻ ബാലൻസ് ഇതുള്ള ഹൈറ്റ് ഗ്യാപ്പ് വരെ
250 ആകാം.
There is some civil work is balanced above the FCU, so we are keeping till more height. You can see above in order to civil to proceed the work above the FCU. So after that we will do the final adjustment. Now we have hanged the FCU now. So the final adjustment will done after the civil completion. If you see the above slab area, the civil has to do some painting over here. So they have some paints in the room above ceiling. Some preparation is there for civil as per their work schedule. You know, to drain the water in the drain pan there. If you make opposite slope, the water will come this side. So that is why we are maintaining some slope here to FCU in order to drain the water properly in the drain pan. So we need to keep some slope towards the drain pan. So our drain pan is in this side. You can see the machine connection is here. You can see. So the drain pan connection is here, right side, and this is chill water connections, up and down, in and out, and this is drain pipe connection. This is our drain pan. Now we will not remove this cover, plastic cover. The plastic cover will remove at the time of testing commissioning of FCU. So we will not remove this cover. We have to maintain the gap from this filter to the wall, because in order to do any maintenance we need to remove this filter, we need to clean this filter also. So periodically you can say. So we have to maintain the gap in order to do any maintenance. So minimum 500 we have to maintain the gap here from the wall to FCU. FCU already installed here, so we have to put it back this packing. You see this, in order to protect the FCU. If any civil preparation work here or grinding or something on the wall or on the slab, so we need to protect till the testing commissioning starts. So finally we have done our work here.